Alright, today we're going to teach you how to make the s'more special. First, obviously you need your size 2 hook. Clamp it on there. Now with being the s'more special, you got to use a marshmallow. Now you can do it all sorts of different ways. Crushing it up a little bit, shove it around, cut it up, make nice little slices, but today, this is how we're going to show you how to tie it. Right here, got the tip of it. Got to make sure that that marshmallow stays on that hook. And as long as that marshmallow stays on, you're bound to catch fish non-stop. The trout absolutely destroy this. Boom. Okay. And that right there is how you make the s'mores special.